All right, my name is Melvin Henderson. I am the construction manager for Systems and Rail. What's going on right now, as you can see, there's a crane behind me that's getting set up so that we can set the first of 10 traction power substations along the purple line. This is a milestone. This particular traction power substation nomenclature is known as QYG TPSS. This will be able to convert utility power, which will come in at 13,800 volts, and it'll convert it to the 1500 volt DC, which goes to the catenary, which will be an overhead catenary system that'll run all the power in the yard and inside the building. It's one of 10 traction power substations along the alignment that'll supply power to the entire 16.2 miles.